to extract any tables from web. So in Excel, if you want to extract some tables or data from other site or any other external resources, so firstly you have to go in data section here, like home, insert, page layout, formula and data. After data there are the so many options here, like from text and csv, from web, from table and range. So firstly we have to go from web, because we are extracting the data from external resources. Now we have to just paste the data, or yes, we have to extract the paste. Let's assume we we want this table in Excel. So we have the only first option. Firstly we select this one, then we copy and paste. This is the first option. And second option, you have to just copy the link and paste it here, and just press OK. Click on OK. Then you have, then it is showing like connect option. So you just connect with this setting, this URL. After that, after the connecting these things, you will get table. Yes. Now let's check this one. So in this URL, it's showing so many tables. Firstly, we have to just select the table one. Sometimes it depend on your network. So today my network is very slow. So now this is the heading. This is the table. Here you can check. We get this table. After that, we have to just check only two and three mistakes, and we have to correct them those mistakes. Just like here, its table is just like this, but here table is some little bit different here. So we have to just correct this type of information after. And one more thing, like if you want to extract your data from your PDF, so firstly you have to go in data section, then from files, and you have to go from PDF, then select any PDF. You will get the table. I don't want to select any table just because of this is the all confidential information. Thank you so much, my dear friend.